Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make terms and conditions for your website for free. Let's get straight into it. The software we're using to do this is called Termly. It's totally free to sign up for, so sign in, log in with your Google account. It's that simple. Once you're in here, we're going to create our terms and conditions, which you can do for free in their free trial, and you're going to choose what platform you're running on. In my case, it's going to be for a website, or it could be for an e-commerce store. Regardless, I'm going to choose website in this example, but select what is your product. And we're going to quickly go through here and select the relevant choices for our product. And we can just do that by copying and pasting a few things. I'll speed up for this kind of stuff. So now I've quickly just filled out some rubbish terms and conditions, but obviously put in what is appropriate for you. And what Termly does is it actually allows us to add this to your website in a HTML format. And what they're doing is they're not allowing you to copy and paste this out. If you copy this, it's actually not going to copy. And what they're doing is they've got it branded by Termly, but we can be very cheeky and we can override this. So let's go copy to clipboard and copy this bit of HTML code. So when that's copied, we're going to go to an online HTML editor. I recommend just searching HTML editor and this will pop up straight away. So chuck it in on the right hand side, this bit of code, and this will spit out all of the text on the left hand side. So we can go through, delete the stuff that references Termly at the top and the bottom, and there we have it. That is a full list of terms and conditions that we can use. So we can then go Command A, copy that, and we can go to our website editor and upload this onto your website. And that's what I've done here. That's how easy it is to create terms and conditions. And if you want to use Termly to create other terms and conditions, what you can do is you can go back in here, upload this to your website, delete your terms and conditions, and you can go back through and create a return policy. Create that, use the HTML editor, and re-upload that back on your website, and bang, that's how easy it is. I know it's a bit of a cheeky method, but if it's going to save you time and money, why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. It is super easy, but it's valuable. Have a great day, guys. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.